This is a used 2009 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 1,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include a power sunroof, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, a DVD system, memory seats, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Jimmy Granger Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 250 Highway 171 South, Stonewall, Louisiana 71078.